From human labor to automation, evolution is constant. It never stops. Integrating the virtual with reality, AI and digital twin technology are redefining production efficiency. Before simulating production line planning, a product must first be deconstructed and analyzed in the virtual world. Delta Line Sim simulates and verifies production movements and optimizes before real deployment. Delta Acme digitally transforms worker training with AI-powered coaching agents. Through AI-powered behavioral analytics and based on the SOP, the Delta Acme system's real-time check detects anomalies instantly and synchronizes production quality control. This enables a fully integrated human and process intelligence system. Powered by NVIDIA physics, the system delivers a high-fidelity glue dispensing simulation with an accurate prediction of glue volume, ensuring stability and consistency. The glue spray path is validated by the NVIDIA physics simulation. The AI model generates the optimal path, and DIATwin instantly converts it into executable recipes, forming a closed-loop dual simulated model. Synthetic defect generation improves quality control. AOI system identifies the defects in real time. The real-world production performance aligns precisely with the simulated KPIs. The optimized simulation speeds up the deployment of the new production process and does things right the first time. This facilitates fast production line replication for application at different production sites. Each plant is now a fully automated, unstaffed plant with cyber-physical integration. Self-optimization shapes the future.